Hello, welcome. So let's start. I think so now we have joined everybody. My voice is clear. So namaste to everyone. This is Shailesh Saraf, Managing Director and founder of Value Stocks app. So welcome to our session. So, let's happy Ganesh Chaturthi to everyone. So on this auspicious day, let's learn, how we can do well in the stock markets. So Ganeshji is also a symbol of strength and prosperity. So let's do this together. Let's start. So obviously, today we will be giving you, today is Ganesh Chaturthi, and we will giving you some good companies which has not been affected by COVID. Who would like to know the good companies which is not affected by COVID? Would you like to know companies which is not affected by COVID? Okay, yeah, Sabari needs it. Everybody needs it. I'm sure everybody needs it. So we will share that, and we will share that how these companies have been selected, why these companies are good. Okay, so I'm sure there are many people who are joining the program who are my very, very good customers and supporters, like Mr. Muli Krishna, who are great supporters. So I'm sure there are many people who are joined for the first time. And today we are going to share 4 or 5 very simple secrets of selecting a stock. Okay, so the mindset is that when we buy a stock, we should always remember, we should always remember that there are 3-4 major principles of buying a stock. Okay, so when you buy a stock, please, I request all my previous attendees and people who have joined before who knows the answer, please don't answer these questions. I would like the new people, we have about 225, I'm sure many people are new. I would like you to answer that when you buy a stock, I hope, we are teaching fundamentals here. We are not teaching technicals or short-term trading. When you buy a stock, what are the important parameters? 2 या 3 चीज क्या देखते हैं before you buy a stock? Please don't tell me you see CNBC and buy a stock. If you do that, that's a 52 weeks low with good dividend. Okay, Jitin bhai, thank you. Market, P ratio. How do you decide quality, Mr. Surinder? How do you decide Narayanji management? Debt equity ratio, valuation. 1701. Who's 1701? Earnings, cash flow, ROC, future perspective, P management, profit growth, support resistance, price, demand, good moat. How do you decide a good moat, Mr. Lender? How do you decide a good moat? How do you decide, Sabari, what is good fundamentals? What is the parameter of a good fundamental? Pledge, debt-free, EPS, market capitalization, reputation of people. How do you know the reputation of people, man, Mr. Narayan? That is the key aspect. Mr. Muli Krishna, please don't answer. People who are there before, please don't answer. I humbly request you. I know you know the answer. Goodwill. How do you decide the company has goodwill, brand value? Risheshwar, sorry. How do you decide a future aspect, Bhavan? I used to see calls given by Ashwini Gujral. So how does Ashwini Gujral decide a stock? Is it the right way to decide a stock? Mutual fund holdings in a company? Good. So out of 242 people here, is my voice clear? Is my voice clear to everyone? Friends? Is my voice clear? Yes, okay. So out of now, very interesting. There are only 3-4 parameters and how you use those parameters to decide a stock is what I will train you. And I think so the investor community in large, we have 249 people, and I could only answer, I could see only about 7-8 people who gave the right answer. Only 7-8 people, okay, out of the 251. So obviously, would you like to learn how fund managers decide a stock? Who's the greatest fund manager in the world? Who's the greatest fund manager? Warren Buffett. Mr. Guru Prasad, would you like to know what Warren Buffett sees when he buys a stock? Are you interested? Okay, so I'll show you a video. Let's see a video that how Warren Buffett decides to buy a stock. It's a video.
Most areas of Japanese business, returns on equity are very, very low, and it's extremely difficult to get rich by being the owner of a business that earns a low return on equity. We always look at what a business does in terms of what it earns on capital. We want to be in good businesses. What we really want to be is in businesses that are going to be good businesses and better businesses 10 years from now. And we want to buy them at a reasonable price. But many years ago, we gave up what I've labeled the cigar butt approach to investing, which is where you try and find a really kind of pathetic company, but it sells so cheap that you think there's one good free puff left in it. And we used to pick up a lot of soggy cigar butts. I mean, I had a portfolio full of them, and there were free puffs in them. I mean, I made money out of that, but A, it doesn't work with big money anyway, and B, we don't find many cigar butts around that we would be attracted to. But those are the companies that had low returns on equity. And if you have a business that's earning 5 or 6% on equity, and you hold it for a long time, you are not going to do well in investing, even if you buy it cheap to start with. Time is the enemy of the poor business, and it's the friend of the great business. I mean, if you have a business that's earning 20 or 25% on equity, and it does that for a long time, time is your friend. But time is your enemy if you have your money in a low return business, and you may be lucky enough to pick the exact moment when it gets taken over by someone else. But we like to think when we buy a stock, we're going to own it for a very long time, and therefore we have to stay away from businesses that have low returns on equity. Charlie?
So friends, I could only see video cut off. Was the video clear to everyone? Bhaswaraji Arasu could not see the video. Mr. Bhaswaraji, you had problem with your computer. Please check. Everybody was able to see very clearly. Sorry, Bhaswaraji. So basically, friends, the number one fundamental parameter to buy any stock is return on equity. And I could only see about 7 or 8 people only could write ROE. Can I see the names who wrote ROE again? Not people who knew before, people who have not met me or ROE. Amit Desai, okay, good, very good. Yes, Amit was the one. Who are the other ones who wrote ROE? Kapil, thank you very much. Sarvesh, Munish, Suraj, you know answer. Please don't repeat. You know, I think you've attended my previous seminars. Radhe Datich, okay, 5 people. Anybody else wrote ROE who are attending for the first time? Anybody else? Sambik, okay, thank you. 6 people. I mentioned Vinodji 7, Vipin 8, Aman 9, Chetan 10, Kasus 11. You knew it, okay, Rishishwar 12, okay. So basically, if you see out of 261 people, only 12 or maybe 5, 7 are not writing it. Only 10 to 15% people know about ROE. And all the fund managers, the quality companies all come from ROE. ROE is a balance of balance sheet and the profit and loss account. It is a balance. Okay. So that is what ROE is. So it is very, very important that we invest in companies which has great ROE. Okay, let me show you Ramdev Agarwal, who says that when you buy a company, the first ratio he sees is ROE. Then he gets the quality and there's some magic behind the company. Okay, so he says in this thing that try to see companies which has ROE of 20, 25, which also Warren Buffett says, but not less than 15. Okay, so ROE, let's see the video again.
That you
ROE.
always talk about, and it's exactly what you were just saying, right? If you pick the right stock, then you're home. So how do you define quality, and what are the parameters that you strictly measure quality against?
This is one subject of quality which everybody knows what is quality, what is not quality commonsensically. Yet there is no defined way to say that this is one way to see the quality. But I mean, there are 5-6 ways one looks at it depending on the company which you are looking at right now. But one common filter which comes to my mind to start with is about the return on equity or productivity of the capital, and for how long the productivity of capital is high, and is it a company which has a sustainable business and a business which has a high productivity of assets or capital. You can say you have 1,000 crore worth of asset. Some businesses, they barely earn say 100 crores. That's about 10%. And some business year after year, they earn 250 or 300 crores, 25-30%. That's where the quality story starts. And understanding quality again has a two dimension. One, are you looking at old company, something which is running for 10-20 years, or are you looking at a company which is a brand new company, which is just 3, 4, 5 years old or 7 years old, first time they are making profit? So if you looking at old company, I mean, most of the time, 90% time you're looking at old company with track record of 10, 15, 20 years, you get nice, ratios where you can figure out right from now I'm really remembering the process, how I go about it. I go to my ratio. I mean, once I see that companies of reasonable size making 10, 20 crores, then I go to straight ratios, because when you're doing ratios, you typically don't see the absolute number. So when you look at the ratio, the first ratio I see is what has been the recent track record of 10 years of the return on equity. And if turns out to be more like a 20, 22%, 23% year after year with no break, below 15%, the consistently, if it is making 18, 20, 25, 30 or even more, that's the kind of thing which brings the quality story on. Because one of the belief is that businesses are capital input output machine. Irrespective of name of the business, businesses are capital input output machine. And if your risk-free rate is about 8 to 10%, then significantly higher return on capital or assets is a sign that there's some magic on in that particular company. What is that magic? We don't know, but the numbers are telling me that they're able to earn a lot more on the capital employed than the normally what a business should be earning. So that is the first starting point of quality company. Then you look at that is the first ratio. Then you look at the terms of trade. Immediately I go to the terms of trade.
Okay, Vikash. So the biggest investor in the world, the top investor in India, the first ratio to buy a stock is ROE. There is magic in the company. There is quality in the company. The management is good. So people tell me good management. How do you decide a good management? ROE gives you the good management, right? That is the minimum. Sujata. Okay, we will tell you how to check also everything, Debak. This is where we have launched a product for the investors so that they understand that first you should know the principles of investing. Once you know the principles, how you can get those stocks, which we will show you. This is our expertise. This is our business. So we do this free training to first understand what is the right principle, and then we tell you how to do it. Okay. So please understand. Yes, long term. They are all long-term players, Sujata. Warren Buffett is a long-term player. Ramdev Agarwal is a long-term player. I'm only teaching fundamentals. So if a company has ROE, those companies can be long-term. Why? बिकॉज मैंने रिसर्च किया है कि जब वो शेयर, जब बजाज स्टॉक मार्केट गिरता है, वो स्टॉक सबसे कम गिरते हैं, एंड जब स्टॉक मार्केट बढ़ता है वो स्टॉक सबसे ज्यादा बढ़ते हैं. सो ROE हैज अ मैजिक, as you said. ROE gives you quality. Okay, and as I said, only 5% of the people here know about ROE. Okay, only 5 people know about ROE, right? So please understand that it is very important. It is extremely important to, okay, yes, I'll only speak in English, no problem. So it is extremely important that as an investor community, start seeing companies with ROE. Okay, that is the key element to start making money in the stock market. That is one ratio you should have a very high level. Okay, so please, I'll also prove it to you. From how many people have heard of Nilesh Shah? Have you heard of him? Nilesh Shah, Kotak Mahindra, he comes on TV a lot. Have you heard of Nilesh Shah? Yes. Only 2 people know. Yes, many people know. Okay, so let's see. Somebody asked him what is the most important ratio or to pick up a winning stock. So see what he answers.
Ratio, any financial metric that is your go-to ratio while you're selecting a company?
Company should earn more than the cost of capital reflected in return on capital employed, and it should generate free cash flow.
ROE and ROC is very similar. Thoda sa difference hai, dhire dhire. I request you. So Nilesh also says ROE, ROC. The other video, if you see the video, which is also available on YouTube of Ramdev Agarwal, he sees also terms of trade, which is the cash flow. Okay. And many people don't understand the concept of cash flow and ROE, and they miss out. Now let's see, he introduced a third principle, which is Madhusudan Kela. How many know about Madhusudan Kela? Can you just show the screen? How many know Madhusudan Kela? He's also great. How many know about him? Yes. He was the fund manager for Reliance Mutual Fund for many years. Okay, many people know. Good. You can search about these people. They are all big investors, veteran investors in the country. So please see.
A big winner for me. Now, just coming back, some of the characteristics which I have used to identify these companies. A, you look at the size of the opportunity. That is most important. What is the size of the opportunity in which this company is playing? Second, I have played a disproportionate importance to the leader and the management team, which is going to build this business. Third thing, which you look at, what is the competitive advantage, or in more sophisticated language we call it a moat. So what is the competitive advantage which the company is bringing on the table to build this business? And then there are plethora of financial statistics which you use. Someone will use A, B, C, D. I use free cash flow. I use ROE. And I use essential, how cheap the stock is.
Again, 3 Gs. Another one, very important. Okay. No, Risheshwar. ROE encompasses EPS. So ROE is more important than EPS. It's also an important principle, but ROE EPS se hi banta hai, earnings se hi banta hai, and also incorporates a balance sheet, so it is more powerful. It gives you the efficiency management capability कि मेरे पास प्रोडक्टिविटी, मेरे पास इतना कैपिटल है, उस कैपिटल को मैं कैसे यूज कर रहा हूं. तो Risheshwar, ROE is 1000 times no better than EPS. EPS is done by general investors. It is good, but not that powerful. So again, Madhusudan Kela, we will teach you, we will teach you how to get ROE. First, understand the principles. So मैंने अभी 3 principle add हो गया. एक ROE है, एक cash flow है. Okay. Very important principle. And the third principle is very important principle is valuation. कि हमें जब शेयर खरीदना है, क्वालिटी तो होना ही चाहिए, बट वो शेयर सस्ता होना चाहिए. क्वालिटी शेयर को सस्ता लेना, वही ब्रिलियंट माइंड है. A bad quality share will always be at a low, cheap valuation. That is not a good strategy which everybody is doing. Investing in penny stock, turnaround situation, cheap stocks, low P stock. That is not the right strategy. Right strategy is good companies with ROE, free cash flow, but those companies are below 15 or 20 P. Okay, so three principles are added. How many have heard? Yes, you intrinsic value. That's correct, Avinash. That's correct. Valuation means the intrinsic value or the valuation of a company, or what is the price of the company compared to its earnings and its profits and its ROE. Okay, now another very important parameter which will be introduced right now is growth. It is not EPS. It is EPS growth which is important. Okay, there is a difference, Mr. Chetan. I'll take questions later. Please stop the question. We'll take questions later in the end, please. Let me complete the seminar. Okay, give me the main principles first, and then you can go. Let's understand the main principles of identifying the stock. And these are the principles by the mutual fund managers of the country, the top mutual fund managers. अभी मैंने आपको जिसका वीडियो दिखाया है, they are managing more than 1 lakh, 2 lakh crore rupees. Right? So these are important principles. First understand. Okay, so first is ROE, second is cash flow, the third is definitely valuation, and there is another one which is very, very important is the growth. So I'll show you another video where you should see if there is an EPS growth or not, or sales growth. Sales growth hona jaruri hai. How much it is growing. Okay, so let's study.
This small cap space because returns have not been great over the last 12-15 months. Our view is that there is huge opportunity there because their companies are still trading at 8, 9, 10 P and growing quite decently. The second place where we see a lot of value is again based on this data. Almost 40% of all investments done in equity mutual funds is in companies with a trailing P of more than 30 times. So our view is again, companies which have so-called been growing without any concerns, they have got disproportionate re-rated and they are trading at very, very high P multiples. But we have seen the first sign of them also not performing. We have seen large companies like Maruti, Eicher, Page, where slightest disappointment on earnings has caused the prices to go down by 25-30%. Our view is that again, a value with reasonable growth is a space where the markets have completely vacated that. And therefore our view is that follow a 15-15-15 kind of a system where companies which are growing at 15% with an ROE of 15% and with a likely P of less than 15. I think that is the space where investors should focus on.
Okay, so basically growth is very important. So somebody was asking about Yes Bank. So basically whenever the growth falls, you should exit that company. Okay, whenever the growth falls, because growth, जब EPS का growth fall होगा, तो next time जब balance sheet का ROE आएगा September में, the ROE will fall. The last guy was Sunil Singhania Sabari. He was also the Reliance Mutual Fund manager for many years. Sunil Singhania. Okay, how many know about Sunil Singhania? How many people know in the group? There are 328 people. Okay, no, thanks. I know I've heard of him. Yes. So some people, yeah, he manages Abacus. That's correct, Punish. All of them are very well known. Right. Thank you. So basically they are all big fund managers who manage 5,000, 10,000, 20,000 crore rupees. And when they manage such wealth, they don't exit the counter. They keep the counter. So how are they not scared? Bazaar girta hai, bhadta hai. They're not scared about a trader mentality. They're not scared there is COVID. They're not scared what is happening to the market. So what is the important thing? What is the important thing? I can see somebody is disrespecting in the group. Who's this Abhishek Hajra? What are we wasting time on, Mr. Abhishek? Please respect the knowledge which you are getting free of cost. Please have respect for the session. Next time he writes any wrong message, please throw him out of the group. We don't want people. We are giving things free does not mean that you can disrespect me on the group, please. Next time he writes a message, please, because throw him out of the group. This Abhishek Hazara, please don't mind. Please don't write such sentences here. Sorry for being strict, but we are trying to share some very senior people in the country. You know, there are very senior people who are trying to teach us, but we are not trying to learn. Okay? So they are very senior people, so we should respect them. We should respect such senior people. I'm showing you videos of such senior people at one place and trying to make you understand, think correctly. If they are managing such people, okay, so we should learn from them and we should try to implement that so that we can also become like them, right? So this is what we are trying to show everybody, that what is the right way to think about, certain markets. Okay, yes, let's continue. Let's continue and learn from these people that how they think. If we start thinking like them, we will be able to reach the right stock. And once we are able to reach the right stock, okay, then we know how to do it. Okay, so this is a very, very important thing, is extremely important to learn, right? Now I will show you certain data that somebody asked me about Yes Bank. So whenever there is a degrowth, you should exit that counter. Okay, so basically we should learn that how we can understand that how we can exit the counter. So we'll answer that question. Many people have that question which we will answer. So during COVID, there are good companies which you should exit. Okay, so I'll show you some top companies where the sales has been minus or they've gone in loss, like Maruti. Would you sell Maruti or not? The answer is today you should sell Maruti for me, because it is gone in a negative territory after many years. Okay, and companies in COVID also, those companies are doing well. So I'll give you a list of companies which is doing well, which has good ROE, cash flow, and they are growing. And you should exit companies, even if it is Tata Motor or Maruti, doesn't matter. If the growth is not there, then you should exit those companies. Okay, now this entire system was already given by Warren Buffett in the thing. I'll show you in his annual report. Can you please check? We will give you all information, Surenji. We'll give you all information. Fairly Fight, I have made all the data available for all the investors now. This is our business. So obviously when we give free training, we're also doing some business where we do some business, right? But we want to first give quality business, valuable thing, so that you start thinking accurately. Okay. So what were the 4 principles, what we discussed? Profit, growth, ROE, cash flow, and cheap companies which has good price. Now Warren Buffett has mentioned this. You can take a picture of this and keep it. And remember, these are the stock principles given by Warren Buffett in his annual report. ROE, cash flow, valuation, and growth, Jigar. Growth, profit growth or EPS growth, and sales growth. Okay. If you just follow this principle, you can understand that you will always be with the right stock and growth. That's correct. So if you see, Warren Buffett writes, again, these are all evidence I'm giving you, friends. For investor community, what has taken me years to search, I'm making it available very easily for you so that you start believing that these are the truths of investing. Okay. So obviously business earning good returns on equity, business earning good returns on equity and employing no debt. So we should always see companies which takes very little debt. That is why when Reliance started reducing the debt, the prices went up. So any company which reduces the debt substantially, the prices will go up. So this is one thing which we could see in Reliance. They took so much money, they reduced the debt and the prices went up. Okay. Demonstrated consistent earning power. That means there is growth in profits and sales. Okay. And offering price. And if you see large purchases, pre-tax earning, that means there is huge cash flow in the company. They are able to do sales and they have a lot of operating income. That means the cash flow is very, very good. Okay. Vikash, can you just put the link there? Huh? Somebody is asking for the link, Anand Palji. And then obviously we have to, when these quality stocks are there, we have to see we are buying at a reasonable price, probably at a low P or fairly valued or undervalued. So this should be the thought process of investments. Okay. So I'll show you the step. You can take a picture. I'll show you a step and take a picture.
Yeah, I have sent the link.
What is to be fast, Mr. Abhishek? Time is approaching. Time is approaching for what, Mr. Abhijit Gundavar? What are you talking about? So, you want to learn 10, 15 years of brilliance in 5 minutes. I think so. You don't need the time. Okay. Please be respectful. I think so. We should throw these people out of the group. I think so. They are very disrespectful. This Abhijit, Abhishek. Yeah. So we are training you in 60 minutes already. Did you learn? Did you know about ROE in 10 minutes? Have you ever seen Mr. Abhijit? Did you learn what you're learning here?
Yeah, Abhijit ji has left the system.
Yeah. Next time anybody mentions it, Vikas, just please tell them to be out of the group, you know.
Yeah, we'll doing that.
Yeah, just put them out of the group. Anybody writes a wrong message, please put them out of the group.
Yeah.
No, this is disrespect because I have been tolerating, but I think so people have disrespect. I'm giving you in 30, 40 minutes. I've given you so much of knowledge and videos you will not aware. Okay. Yeah, I know I have to ignore them, but sometimes you have to respect yourself also. I agree, Devang. Okay, thank you. Thank you for all your love and blessings, everybody. We have 344 people, so I don't care. Okay, so it is in Bakshwa Atre. We'll share the link also. The link is there with you. Okay, so this is an important principle that stock investing is very easy, my friends. It is not difficult, I'm telling you. To find stocks are very easy, but it has never been available to the general public. It was never available to the general public, right? So we are trying to make it that all these people see only 3-4 things in buying a stock. ROE, cash flow, it should be undervalued. Now, how can you all do these things? That is why I've created an app. Okay. So obviously, because now once you know the principle, you have to make it practical and make it available for the people. Okay. So let's show the app now. So this is, I'm introducing my app. So please don't consider it as marketing because I'm here to do also business here, my friends. I'm trying to teach you something valuable, but how to come to the stock, I made a system. Because when I talk about these strategies and I want people to understand these strategies and take the stock, some people think that we are doing marketing, but we are here to give you the right information that how you can use it. And obviously we are here to do business. Please understand this. Forgive me, but I'm giving you good knowledge, but I'm also giving you the data. So once you become my customer, this app is not free for the friends. If you want it free, we can make it available for 3-4 days after you take the training. So we'll give the stocks also. Yes, Aditya, we'll give you the stocks. We are going in that only. So let's go to stock screener. So 50 plus bonus stocks, which will do well. So in my stock screener, let me take out stocks, which is growing in EPS and sales. June quarter, it is growing in EPS and sales. Very simple 2 parameter, because we don't want to buy stock which is degrowing because of COVID. So I've only used 2 factors, and I'll give you some fantastic stock which also has ROE and cash flow automatically. Okay, Vikash? Okay, so this is the list which I had promised everyone. A list of 52 stocks. Okay, so these are the 52 stocks I am recommending to you. These are after June quarter. So I'll go through, you can take a picture, because I had promised 50 stocks, which I will give you the best stocks. Okay, so Aarti Drugs, Avas Financiers, Abbott, Advanced Enzyme, Affle, Ajanta Pharma, Alembic, Alchem, Osmall Bank, Aurobindo Pharma, Bajaj Finserv. Please keep going down. Next page. Balrampur Chini, Bayer Cropsine, BBTC, Britannia, CCL Products, CDSL, Cipla, Coromandel, Dhanuka Agritech, Divi's Lab, Eris Life Science, SL Propac, Federal Bank, GM for Fuldar. Okay, go up. Okay, HCL Tech, HDFC Bank, Hexaware, ISIS Lombard. Please take a picture. Huh? I had promised 50 stocks, which I will give you after June quarter, which is doing well. So according to me, these 50 stocks will really do well in future. So I'm giving you 52 stocks. ICICI Securities, IndiaMart, Intermesh, Indian Energy Exchange, Infosys, IPCA, Larsen Tubro Infotech, Majesco, Manappuram. Muthoot Finance, Nestle, Oracle, Persistent, PI Industries, Rallis, SBI Cards, SBI Life Insurance, Security Intelligence Services, Tata Coffee, Tech Mahindra, Weber Global, Wipro. Okay, so I have fulfilled my promise of giving you the best stocks. All the stocks have June results have come, and they're all performing. Okay, so I'll show you again. If you are already my customer, it's very easy how to select the stock. Balance people who are not my customers, if you become my customer, you can do it, but you have the list which I had promised. These are all companies jisme COVID has not affected these companies. They are still growing in profit and sales. They have good ROE above 15. They have cash flows, which is good. Okay, some may have been slightly minus. They have very low debt. These are very, very good selected companies. The only these companies are, you can buy. When do you buy it? Some stocks may be overvalued. Like I'll show you about India. I'll give you another strategy how you can buy. Okay, so that is the first. These are good stocks. Now how you buy, I'm giving you the training. So out of this 50 stocks, first, Vikash, first show them the fairly valued and undervalued first. So in my app, you can go to how many out of these 52 companies are fairly valued and undervalued. Matlab it is not overvalued. Okay, so you can do it in my app. So I'll show you companies. Isme 52 company mein kaun se achhe hain. Okay, in 52 companies. So there are 34 companies which is still undervalued or fairly valued. Only 18 companies are overvalued, friends. Okay, so obviously you will not buy all the stocks. First is all the stocks should have ROE, good cash flow, sales growth, low debt. So we identified those companies. There are 52 and they're not affected by COVID. Now is the challenge is valuation. Ye to bahut mehenga hai, the P is very high. When should I buy? So I'm giving you stocks. First, I'll give you stock which is undervalued. Okay. Now go to undervalued stocks first. Yes, we will scroll. First give you undervalued and then we'll give you scroll all the screen. So first, there are about 1 month, there are about 9 stocks which is still undervalued. Okay, so please check. Balrampur Chini, BBTC, Coromandel, Federal Bank, HDFC, ICICI, Majesco, Manappuram, Muthoot Finance. They are still undervalued, my friends. Manappuram and Muthoot are my favorite stocks today because they are doing gold financing and gold is rising. Yesterday I saw a video of Nilesh Shah. He says gold, there is Chris Wood. He said gold will be $5,500. That means gold will be about 1.5 lakh rupees in 3 years, according to Nilesh Shah. Okay, please stop talking. So if gold will become Manappuram and Muthoot, I think so they will give you minimum 100 to 200% return. Again, I am putting on disclaimer. I may be wrong. These are just my analysis. I may be wrong, friends. Whatever I've learned minimum, I'm trying to share with you in my 28 years. Please use your discernment. Try to find. But this is, I have understood by following these principles. For me, Manappuram and Muthoot are fantastic. So these are undervalued stocks, which is highly recommended. Okay. Yes, there is no problem. Even it is undervalued. There are many ways to do undervaluation. P is not the only way, Kapil. Okay. That we give a training, Venkatesh. I cannot teach you everything in a 1 hour program. Okay. That is the price performance. So don't worry. That is a price performance in 1 month. How much is were positive and how much were negative in the last 1 month? Price performance. Because I told you to write the price performance here. Please make sure you write it down. Yes, yeah. It is Bombay Burma. That's correct. Please mention price performance. Okay.
Yeah, we'll do that.
Okay. Now shave understand. Now let's see fairly valued companies. Because remove the undervalued and see fairly valued. So as promised, I have given you the list of 52 companies, which is COVID free. Out of it, certain companies are expensive, 18 are expensive, 9 are cheap. And then you have the, there are 25 companies, which is fairly valued. Okay. So these are very good companies. Again, Advanced Enzyme, go up. Please show them the list. Alchem, Orbindo, Bajaj Finserv, CCL, Dhanuka Aggregate, Eris Life Science, HCL Tech, HDFC, Hexaware, India Mart, Intermesh. Go up. Infosys, IPCA, Larsen Toubro Infotech, Emphasis, Oracle, Persistent, Rallies, Security and Intelligence Services, Tata Coffee, Tech Mahindra, Web of Global, Wipro. I hope you have taken a picture. So these are all COVID-free companies. Even during COVID, these companies have not been affected. So many people ask me how multi-baggers are made. If these companies are not affected by COVID, and if COVID continues for 1 year, these stocks will do the best. So they are still fairly valued, which may become overvalued later on, but still it is good. Okay. Another way where in my app, when you understand, are you understanding the training? Is it simple? Is it easy for you to stock list, to see everything? Is it good for everyone? That we cannot teach you here, Adish. That is a program. So we teach how to value a valuation. Whatever we teach, we actually do in a 5-day program. I cannot teach valuation. It takes about 3 to 4 hours of teaching to understand valuation. Yes, good companies don't wait to worry, Manoj. You know. Can you scroll from top? Wapi se troll kar do bhai, but top. Sagarji wants to see. So basically, how do you decide a stock? I'm giving you a system, my friend. And this system is used by the greatest fund managers in the world, which I've proven to you. They first see ROE, cash flow, and then they see the valuation. So that is what, if you start thinking like this, then you can make money. Now, problem is that this is an investment mentality. Okay. This is an investment mentality. Okay. So there are two mindsets, which I also want to teach you. Because can you show the mindset? Now, the problem is people don't know who's an investor and who's a trader. Right? I'll show you a video also, but before that, I will show you a. These are all for long term, Karthik. When I say long term, minimum 1 year. These are all for 1 year's minimum. I'm not showing any stock which is a short term or a short term trading stock, Karthik. These are strategies to hold for long term. Okay, Karthik? Are we clarifying this, Karthik? These are stocks to hold for long term. At minimum 1 year, minimum 1 year, minimum 1 year. We don't answer these questions, Shubham Jain. You can go in my app about personal questions. My app name is Value Stocks. Okay, now first understand, people are confused. Am I a trader or an investor? Okay, so some people, they're actually doing trading, but they think they're investors, and that's the problem. Okay, minimum 1 year, same stocks may continue, read me. Minimum 1 year. And same stock, sometime if the thing continues, it becomes, you can continue for even 2 to 3 years. No, we cannot. I cannot answer personal questions here, please. For that, you have to take a one-to-one free training with my people, then only. Okay, so let's study the investor mindset. Okay, investor mindset only looks at fundamentals. वो 5 चीज देखता है, ROE, cash flow, and he sees the results, whether the company is still growing or degrowing. Okay, so fundamental is very different. If you're a trader, then it is a completely different mindset, which I will show you. Okay, yeah, we will be showing you that also. Okay, the fundamental analysts do not follow any price movements. They do not follow any price movements. He does not follow any news, no TV, no friends. Okay, he does not make any watch list. He does not have portfolio and money control. Aadha log ka portfolio money control mein hai, to see the prices up and down every day. They don't need to see. Okay, they decide only entry and exit after quarterly results. So once, if the quarterly result, people ask me, how do you exit? So if any quarterly results become bad, then you exit. So right now I will show you some large companies in large and mid cap जिसका results बहुत खराब हो गया है. Vikas, can you show the data, please? Large and mid. Be very careful with these companies because they are great companies जो आप कभी बेचेंगे नहीं. But I'm telling you, start selling those companies right now. We had given an exit call in Yes Bank at 189, but nobody listened. I'm giving an exit call today on many stocks. Okay, about 10, 15, 20. You don't know result beforehand. Who told you can know the result beforehand? After the results, you take a decision, Sudhindra Ba. नहीं 30% करना, 0-0 क्यों कर रहे हो?
Loss making you said ना?
हाँ, लॉस में ठीक है. लार्ज मिड कर दिया ना?
Yeah. Large mid EPS.
फर्स्ट टाइम लॉस हुआ है. फर्स्ट टाइम लॉस हुआ है.
First time loss.
फर्स्ट टाइम लॉस है क्या?
हाँ, large mid.
फर्स्ट टाइम लॉस है क्या?
June quarter loss. Yeah.
ओके, और मार्च में प्रॉफिट में था, राइट?
Yeah.
Were they in profits in March? Yes, no.
Okay, I have to add that. Let me.
Yeah, please add that. In March में profit होना चाहिए. ऊपर में डाल दो ना, ऊपर में yearly में डाल दो ना, एक ही बात है बेटा. yearly में डाल दो एकदम टॉप में. बेटा ऊपर में जाओ, ऊपर में जाओ.
हाँ, वही डाल रहा है.
ऊपर में, मार्च में नहीं.
ग्रोथ है. ऊपर वो ग्रोथ है, ये एब्सोल्यूट है.
ओके. ग्रेटर देन 0 दिया हुआ है.
Yeah, March will be greater than 0 and this will be low.
Yes. These are all the training we give in a 5-day program. I know there are many questions. So in a 1 hour, Sunindra, I can only share this much because of the time constraint. आ गया ऐसे मारुति आ गया देख लो.
हाँ, just a second.
Excel से दिखा दो विकास.
Okay. Last moment. Just give me 1 minute. I think it got stuck somewhere. The thing was okay. It stuck here, I think. March was positive and
नीचे मारुति है. नीचे दिखाओ मारुति है. Yeah. So all these companies, sir, they were all biggest companies who have been, they were all profits in March when COVID was not there, but June they have all gone into losses. Okay, so I'm taking you the list, and they're all large companies which you will never think of selling, and वो आज आप sell नहीं करोगे, and then you will see. Okay, 3M, Asco Nobel, Dulux Paint, Apollo Tire, Ashok Leyland, Bank of Baroda, Bata, Bosch, Eicher Motor, which was the best stock, Endurance, Excite, Godrej Property, Hindalco. Come down, list, second list. They have all been affected by COVID in a big way. Indian Hotel, Taj, JWS Steel, Kajira Ceramic, Maruti, Motherson Sumi, Phoenix Mills, Schaeffler, Siemens, SKF, Sun Pharma, Sundaram Fastener, Thermax, Titan. Go down. Finish, Vigash? Trend, Tube Investment, TVS Motor, UBL, United Spirit, Vapco. They were all profit companies in March, but they have all gone in losses in June. That means COVID has affected these companies. So whenever there is a huge degrowth or any company goes in loss or any company में 20 से 30% EPS या sales degrowth होता है, that is the first sign that you have to be careful. But people are so married to stocks. बोले तो COVID है, मारुति में क्या होगा? When there are companies, when I'm showing you companies, that is a good opportunity, Manoj ji. Exit. That is the best part. Market ऊपर है. जैसे बाजार खराब होगा, सबसे ज़्यादा ये सब गिरेगा स्टॉक. ध्यान करिएगा. Okay? This is what I'm warning people, that once they don't have fundamental knowledge, they don't know with fundamentals the price movements. Okay, so please make sure that these companies be very, very careful. Be very, very careful. Okay, so when I try to shift my strategy, because they might take another 1 year, 2 years to come back to profits. So when they come back to profits, then we will invest in those shares. But for the next 2 years, I will focus on those companies which is doing well. So again, we can have a big discussion. You may have a different mindset because see, you are investing for a long time. So obviously you will not trust me, my experience, but then once you will learn, then you will understand. Okay. So these are my views. You're not supposed to believe in my view. You're not supposed to believe in my view. Okay. So we have this for 1580 stocks in our app. So what we can do is, you can actually do a one-to-one with us where we can give you our app to use free, and you can also do your portfolio analysis कि कौन सा stock hold में है. So because कौन सा stock buy में है अभी भी, किसका fundamentals अच्छा है, and which stock will be there. It may be you have to learn, Manohar ji, what we are trying to teach. I'm not saying please believe me. I have done my research and I'll show you a strategy also. We can show the strategy of Warren Buffett. So what we did was we backtested the strategy of Warren Buffett. Okay. So this is the strategy of Warren Buffett, because everybody needs, some people say, भैया हमको learning नहीं चाहिए. हमको तो you tell me which stocks will do well. So I'm showing you a strategy which we have backtested on artificial intelligence, robo-advisory, algorithm, if you've heard these words, smart beta testing, these are, very, very popular things already in Europe and America. We are the only ones who have brought it to India right now. So after knowing the principles, we backtested this strategy for 5 years. And it is giving a staggering return of about 22-23% every year. And there is a stock list of 12 to 15 stocks. Okay. So if you really want to understand these things, then you can take a 1-hour training with your Demat account. Okay. With your Demat account, you can actually take a 1-hour training. Okay. Where my person will go step by step on each stock and tell you whether it is a buy, it is a hold, it is a sell, and why. So you will know, before I tell you, shares which have not grown in your portfolio in the last 3 years. Agar abhi bazaar badha hai and your shares have not risen in the last few months, that means those shares have very low ROE and no growth anything. That is why those shares are not rising. Okay. And if you have those shares are rising in the last 3 to 4 years, you can check. I can do your analysis because we have done back testing. Whenever the shares don't rise, either they don't have growth or they don't have ROE. We have checked it. So you can check your Demat statement or statement where we don't need any quantity or amount. Sif share ka naam, and you can do 1-to-1 with my people free of cost. Again, once you understand that they can help you कि कौन सा stock आप बेच सकते हैं, कौन सा stock आप कर सकते हैं. मेरे यहाँ trading account भी नहीं खोलना. We are a research thing. And then if you like, you can understand these strategies, what we are giving. These 15 stocks will give you 20-23% return. Okay. So we will, if you want training, and then if you take that training, if you are, please understand friends, this is free. Please respect our time. We have seen people, they sign up for the training, okay, but they don't appear. Please don't do that. Mera haath jod ke binti hai, because it wastes our time. Things we are giving free does not mean it is free. We are there to help you, but please respect our time. If you really want to learn, you want to check your portfolio 1-to-1, because I can't check portfolios for 300 people today. It has to be done by a proper understanding, 1-to-1. So I'll give you 1-to-1 60 minutes free training. आपका स्टॉक लिस्ट एक स्टॉक जाके मेरा ऐप आपको बता देगा which stock is good, which stock is bad. Number 1. Number 2, I will give you an app for 3 days to use. I will show you different stock strategies. If you want to buy, you can decide to buy. You don't want to buy, don't buy. Okay. So if you are interested to take a 1-hour training, then you can, you must have already received an SMS. And you can, Vikash, have they received an SMS on an email already? And Vikash, put it on the on the chat group also. Yeah. Please fill up this form right now. There is a form here. If you are serious, again, my friends, if you're not serious, please don't fill up this form, because we will be sending you a Zoom link and we'll be giving you serious training. If you're not interested, please don't waste my time and your time. If you're serious, then fill up the form. If you're not serious, thank you very much. Okay. So please fill up the form. Have you received an SMS, everybody? It's a free training, Praveenji. Again. It's a free training for everyone. Vikash, Prateek, have you sent the SMS to everyone?
Yes, confirmed. SMS sent.
SMS has gone to, yes, received the SMS. Have you sent the email to everyone?
People are replying, they have received the SMS.
Yes. So if you received the SMS, if you are serious, please, sir, my humble request to everyone, if you have time, then only come. If you don't have time, we also will respect your time, sir. Please respect my time. But if you take, we can go to your entire portfolio. So आपका portfolio check हो जाएगा. Okay. If you are a new investor and if you want to learn, I have a 5-day program also. How many people are interested to learn the details of valuation? How to value a company? because that is a very big secret. People don't teach valuations. We have a 5-day program in which we teach how to value company. How many are interested to learn valuations? कि शेयर सस्ता है कि महंगा है, मुझे सिखा दीजिए. Like, so we have a 5-day program. Vikash, can you show on the website? In the website menu mein. Yeah. There is a 5-day program on our website. Our website is valuestocks.in. If you click our 5-day online training program, उसमें फॉर्म आ गया क्या विकास? Just check. अभी तक फॉर्म नहीं आया. You can see the entire videos, the entire details of the program. So this is what we do to support people. It's a 15-hour program which I will do with you. Yes, you will get recordings of the session. Yes, correct. Up for 5 days. So that you become more confident, Mr. RR. If you don't want to learn, then you can just become a customer like that. There's no problem, Mr. RR. Because some people really want to learn to develop the conviction. If you are convinced, then you can put more money in the stock. So please fill up the 5-day program, Dr. MKS. If you are interested to learn valuations, company कौन सा सस्ता है, कब लेना है, it is a detailed program of 15 hours we teach. Okay. And there is a free one-to-one training program for 60 minutes. Yes, thank you for stock well, Jigarji. I'm very happy. Thank you. Please be there, everybody. Anybody has any questions? We can open for questions for people now. Anybody has any questions? Sir, can you tell me what will happen with BPSL in future? Sir, it has a one-to-one training. I can't tell you. We have 300 people. Yes, it has data for last 10 years. Amiji, it is updated every day data. Rahulji, the program is 7,500 rupees. You can go on the 5-day program. Uska link bhej dena, 5-day ka Vikas bhej diya kya?
Which is the white part of the paper.
Yes.
So form nahi aaya. Jay Kumar Sharma ko form bhej do na. I don't have any portfolio. Then you learn the program, Subindra ji. Then you be confident of training.
We are continuously
There is
sending
no
links.
lifetime.
Yeah, we are continuously sending links.
Yeah, so we teach that intrinsic value in a 15-hour program actually. And that is very important to learn ki share sasta hai ki महंगा hai. You can invest with confidence. Yes, that is why I said if you see my app, a bot, you have to only buy at a correction. It is very clearly mentioned in my app. Dikha do abort ka question hai that buy only in correction. We show it in our app. It's a very good stock, but only buy in a correction. It is overvalued. We mentioned it very clearly. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your very, very good thing. Yes, you will be given a free app to use also. If you take the 1-hour program, Mr. Prabodh, he will give a free app also. Yes, my training program is finishing. I'm joining. Huh? Yeah. Yes, that's correct, Mr. Shivansan. Yes. They don't see the prices, study the fundamentals, Mr. Hari. Right now, the market is in a liquidity phase. That doesn't mean that wo jab girega to 50% gir bhi jayega. But with the training which I am teaching you, that is what it is. So there are many counters which is overvalued, so which we mentioned in our app. If you see, the buy only in correction. Okay, let's take more questions from people. People who are interested, I am a paid customer. I want to know how to connect with you. We should have any questions. Please please take a 1-hour program. Ask them questions. They'll connect me to you if your questions are there. I hope everybody has received the SMS. If you're only serious to do your portfolio check, फ्री पोर्टफोलियो चेक कराना है आपको, 1-to-1 आइए. इफ यू वांट टू यूज आवर ऐप फॉर फ्री डे फ्री, आपको फ्री कोड मिल जाएगा. ओके, इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड टू डू द 5-day प्रोग्राम, आपको सीखने का मन है, इट ऑल डिपेंड्स आपका क्या रियलिटी है. There is a question, dividend. What is the question, Adish ji, about dividend? Can a new investor can have one? Yes, they can have a 1-to-1 training. Yes, please. Anybody who is a new investor, you should do my 5-day program. Okay, all students or new investors first do my 5-day program. Okay, to understand the details of the market. And I'm only teaching you what fund managers think, how to value a company, valuation कैसे करते हैं, पूरा mathematics करके मैं सिखाऊंगा 1-to-1 आपको. Can you explain about promoters only? I teach this in the 5-day. You know, I can't teach right now. It takes some time. Great dividend is good. Not very important anymore, Adish. More important. Because maybe June results have not come, Guru Prasad. That is why. I've only shown you June results iska out ho gaya. It's a strong buy, but it is overvalued. So jab correction hoga, jab abort ko lena hai. The cost of the app is only 5,000 for a year. You take the training program, use it for free for a few days, then you decide. These are the contra bets. Contra bets is companies which are undervalued. You can do a 1-to-1 program and you can know about India Bulls. Yes, you can download the app store, but you can after training program. It's not a free app. Venkata, they will give you a code after you take a program and then you can use the app. You please take a 1-day program, one free program, Sham Samudra, and they will give you the list of 50 stocks. Nifty data is working, but short term there is a lot of news. So you hope you take my program and understand. I do a lot of program how Nifty works. Portfolio check, yes, they will also do a portfolio check for your mutual funds. They will also give you strategy, what are the best mutual fund. You will get a portfolio check for your mutual funds also free of cost. We don't do any swing trading, Sridhara. I'm sorry, we are a completely fundamental investing company. We don't do these swing tradings. Sorry, Sridhara. Can you investor take one? Yes, they can take, and you should take, you should join my 5-day program, Avinash ji. If you seriously want to enter the stock market, enter with confidence first. Sir, form fill nahi ho raha hai. Jay Kumar Sharma, please give your number. My person will call you and fill the form. Please call up Jay Kumar Sharma, Pratik. Anybody on the team? The charges are 7,500, Abhishek ji. आप पहले free 1-to-1 program ले लीजिए and then check about the thing. First do a 1-to-1, see the app for free. पहले experience कर लीजिए. Then you decide. Yes, we also give you exit, when to exit. Yes, we teach you that in the 5-day program. 5-day program also teaches you when to exit. Yes, it's a company which is continuously growing, Satyendra ji. It has a strong sales growth for many, many years. After the 1 hour free program, you will get the 3-day free app, Rahul ji. Please, did you receive an SMS? So please fill up and yes. Thank you, Narendra ji, for point and fix. Please keep your timings, sir. Whoever gives the time, please be honest, be there. Or please don't. Please respect our time. Yes, you can attend 1-to-1 program, but please do my 5-day program. Pratik, whoever is doing investors 1-day 1, they can do my 5-day. No, 1 year charge is 5,000. That 5-day program is 7,500, Karthik. You do a 1-to-1 free, you use the app free, and then decide. I don't want to rush you to make a customer. Decide aram se. Okay? I don't want you to rush. Rushing doesn't work. I have to give you value. If you're serious in learning, my head office is in Calcutta and we also have an office in Bombay. Yes, there is a discount for students. Students, we are giving in the 5-day program, there is a discount. So please ask for the student discount. Send your ID card and there are student discount also. Yes, Narendra ji, you can quit now. People, who, sir, I choose Graham number. Yes, this is what we teach, how to use Graham number for valuing. This is what we teach in the 5-day program. Student in market mean they should be genuine students in college. उनके लिए discount है. Form filled, thank you. People who are serious, you will get your portfolio analysis, your fundamental analysis. You will get a code to use the app. They will give you a lot of learning, training. Your all personal questions will be answered, which I cannot do here. That is why we have this one-to-one, so that your personal one-to-one can happen. Thank you, Shivastanji. Thank you. Please be there, Shivastanji. Please respect our time. You should always go for investment. Always go for investment. Office address is in Salt Lake. You can see our app. The address is there. Yes, Chetanji, you can quit now. Thank you. Thank you, Sridhar. Please be there. Thank you. You will get the code when you do the one-to-one. You will not get the code right now. Atulji, you do the one-to-one, you will get the code. Yes, we guide an FNO also. Yes, Rahulji, we do that. There are so many questions we have. Day trader should join or not? No, day trader should not join, Anirbanji. I'm sorry. Because we are not into day trading. We don't teach day trading. We don't teach day trading, Anirbanji. So you will be disappointed. So please don't join. Give number to form fill contact. We have sent you the form, Archana, in your SMS, email, and we are sending links. Yeah, it's an online course. That's correct, Saurabh-ji. It's an online course. Thank you, Surendra-ji. Thank you for your blessings. Please fill up the form, Mr. Jaykumar Sharma, and please be there. We'll be there to help you. No, I'm sorry. Trading, nobody has become rich. Only investors have become crorpatis and arabpatis, Mr. RR. Trading is only short term. अभी बाजार तेज है, मंदा होगा तब देखेंगे क्या होगा सर. So my one-to-one is my 5-day program, Mr. Sanjay Kumar. So where I teach one-to-one in my 5-day program. Yeah, please fill up the form, give us an opportunity, and then you will see. This is the 5-day program, which is on our app. Please send the link of this also to everyone. इसका भी link और SMS भेज देना 5-day का सब लोग को प्रतीक. Thank you so much. Thank you. We still have 163 people. If you have any more questions, anybody has any more questions, please. Thank you. Have a nice day, Sudhanaji. Happy Ganesh Chaturthi. Now what I do, sir, please fill up the form. You fill up the form and then my person will contact you for the free training. No, sir, when we have good stocks, then let's do the thing that way. Okay, so my person will call you, Sanjay ji. Now you can exit. Thank you, Mahendra ji, for filling the form. Please be there. Please don't waste our time. Please be there. We humbly request everybody, if you are interested only, then fill up the form so that our time is not wasted. Thank you, Radhe ji. Yeah, they will send you the link, Mr. Venkat. They will send you the link. Yes, sir. Thank you, Sachin ji. Thank you. You may leave, sir. Which firm is good for trading and demat account? You can decide any company, sir. My company is also good. Yes, Atulji, you should leave. No, it is not the right way to think like this, Mr. Redmi. That is not the right way. We still have 122 people. If you have any questions, we can answer, or please fill up the form. I hope everybody has received the SMS or the email, or we have sent the links. in the chat box. Please click that links. Please fill up the SMS. Pratik, how much registration do we have? Yeah, so please take the 5-day. We will give you a training on valuation. Venkatesh Ganapati. Please